Welcome to Moogieland. Please find a meditative posture that is right for your body. You may repeat these affirmations after me, or just listen. Let's begin. I am present. I am here. I am in the now. My breathing is slow. My breathing is regulated. I breathe in. I breathe out. I am not hurried. I am calm. I am centered. I am patient. I am relaxed. I am able to soothe myself. My thoughts are orderly. My thoughts are calm. Life is good. Life is giving. Every day I feel more relaxed. I will survive this as I always have. Every day I feel calmer. I am under no threat from the world. I choose to think positively. I choose to react positively. I choose to take positive action. I can find good in the world. I can find good in other people. I can find the good when it is hard to see. Trouble brings out the best in me. My past is behind me. My past cannot hold me back. The future waits for me. I write my own future. I steer my own vessel. The situation is neither good nor bad. There is no obstacle I cannot overcome. I trust the world to help me live a good life. As I breathe, all my muscles relax. stress will vanish from my mind and body. All is well with me. I am strong and ready for change. I will rise above difficult situations. With my gifts, I have more to offer. I can slow my breathing as I see fit. I move beyond anxiety by developing patience. I'll overcome the situation if I remain courageous. I will overcome any stressful situation. My spirit guides me. My wisdom guides me. My courage strengthens me. I will succeed by following one step at a time. I'm okay right now. Life wants the best for me. I'm connected with the world around me. I am comfortable right now. I like my life and I control it. I control my mind and it will never control me. Control comes from within me. There is so much pleasure in my life right now. I only accept healthy things into my life. I am a strong, independent person. I am unique. I am loved. Because I matter, I am worthy. I can appreciate the beauty all around me. I can remain strong and persevere. My inner strength can overcome any adversity. I will make things happen. I will make things better. I am free from negative thoughts. I can put my thoughts in order. If I decide to do it, I will do it. When it is done, I will be proud that I did it. The things I do matter. The things I think matter. The things I feel matter. Everything is working out for my highest good. Every thought I think is creating my future. I forgive myself. I am protected at all times. I trust the process of life. My happy thoughts help make my body healthy. I love and approve of myself. I understand the value of compassion. I deserve all that is good. I live in limitless joy. I live in limitless light. I live in limitless love. It is safe for me to speak up for myself. Today is a gift from life. I cross all bridges with ease. I cross all bridges with joy. I belong here. I experience love wherever I go. I do not have to prove myself to anyone. I trust my intuition. I am in the process of positive change. I trust the process of life. I forgive myself for not being perfect.